Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. My name is Mr. Mohamed Eljaroshi. Today we're going to talk about Unit 5, Lesson 6, Telephones. Question A. Look at the pictures. Which of these kinds of phones have you used? As you can see here, we have two pictures. We have a landline phone in which has a line and it's installed in a house or in office. And the other one is a mobile phone. Now, which one of these did you use? If I'm talking about myself, I used both of them. I used landlines in the past, and I'm using mobile phones nowadays. Now, question B. Read the text. Find the advantages and disadvantages of each kind of phone. Let's look at the text and read them together, and then answer the question. A landline phone sends and receives signals through a wire. The wire is called the landline. All landlines are connected, so you can phone people all over the world. Landline phones are less useful than mobile phones because they can only be used in one place. However, they are often more reliable. Now, in this text, what are the advantages and disadvantages? Now, he said here, landline phones are less useful than mobile phones because they can only be used in one place. Now, they can only be used in one place. We have this, and we have they are often more reliable. Which one of these is an advantage? Very good. Now, they are often more reliable is an advantage. Very good. Now, they can only be used in one place. This one is a disadvantage. Very good. Now, we have an advantage and a disadvantage for the landline phones. Let's move on and read the mobile text. Let's move on and read the mobile text. A mobile phone does not need a landline because it sends signals to a special mast using radio waves. The mast sends the radio waves to another phone. There are mobile phone masts in most places, so mobile phones can be used almost anywhere. Many mobile phones can also be used to take photographs, play music, and access the internet. These are called smartphones. Now, from this text, what do you think the advantages of using a mobile phone? Now, a mobile phone can, as an advantage, less reliable than the mobile phones. Now, what do you think the advantages of using mobile phones? Very good. First, does not need, yes. Now, what do you think the advantages of using mobile phones? Yes. Yes, a mobile phone does not need a landline. That's an advantage. And yes, can be used almost anywhere. It can be used to take photographs, play music, and access the internet. Very good. Yes, can be used in most places. Now, can be used anywhere. Can also be used to take photographs, play music, access the internet. That's why they're called smartphones. So these are the advantages of mobile phones. But what are the disadvantages of mobile phones? Yes, they are less reliable than a landline phone because they're not connected by lines. So they are less reliable, yes. Now, let's go back to the landline phones. Let's talk more about advantages. We said that you can phone people all over the world. This is one of the advantages. Yes. so you can phone people all over the world. This is one of the advantages of landlines. But this is another one, more reliable than mobile phones, yes. But one of the disadvantages, it can only be used in one place. It can only be used in one place because it's a line. So it can be used in one place. Now, you understand the idea of having advantages and disadvantages for both of them. Very good. Now, let's move on to question C. In question C, study the functional grammar box, then do exercise A and B on page 85 of the workbook. This functional grammar box talks about present passive with can, using can to talk about the present passive. For example, landline phones can be used in one place. Mobile phones cannot be used without batteries. Who uses them? We don't know. It's not written in the sentence. That's why it's a passive sentence. And it's a present passive sentence because we're using a modal verb, which is can. Now let's go check the workbook and answer the questions. The workbook, Unit 5, Lesson 6, Telephones. Question A. Layla's mobile phone is not working properly. Some words are missing. Complete the message with the words from the box. We have a box here with 8 words, and we have a message. I want you to read the message and complete it. Fill the gaps with the missing words. Help Layla finish her message. You can stop the video, answer the question, and then come back and check. Now let's check. I had a text. Which one do you think it is? Very good. Message from Tamara yesterday. She asked, where? Very good. Did. Layla. Good job. Buy the red dress. She. Very good. Was, and then we have wearing. Good job. Last Tuesday. She. Very good. Likes it. And this one. Very good. So she likes it very much. And she. Very good. Once. Two. Very good. Buy. And then a blue one. So let's read the message together. I had a text message from Tamara yesterday. She asked, where did Layla buy the red dress she was wearing last Tuesday? She likes it very much and she wants to buy a blue one. Very good. Now let's look at question B. Read the texts on page 63 of the course book. Read the statements below and write true or false or DS if the texts don't say. Now in this question we have true, false or DS because some of the information aren't in the text. Now you can stop the video, read the sentences and check with the text and then come back and check again. Now let's check. Number 1. A landline sends and receives signals through radio waves. What do you think? Very good, it's false. Because it's a landline, it uses lines. Very good. Number 2. Smartphones can access the internet. Very good. True. Good job. Number 3. Some mobile phones are waterproof. Is it written in the text? Very good. So we say DS. Very good. Number 4. But in this sentence, nowadays we have some mobile phones which are waterproof, but it's not written in the text. Very good. Now question 4. Landline phones are often more reliable than mobile phones. What do you think? Very good, it's true. This is one of the disadvantages of mobile phones. You can't rely on them. Number 5. Mobile phones can be used to phone people all over the world. Very good, it's true. Number 6. Landline phones can be used to take photographs. What do you think? Very good, it's false. We can't take photographs with landline phones, but we can use smartphones to take photographs. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.